Welcome everybody. That's a live cicada. Live cicada. Yeah, it's burrowing out from the dirt. This one right there is still in the shell. And actually all this mound here are actually the cicada coming up from the boxes here. Yeah, it's like a tube like dirt, mud. Yeah, I guess as they come up, they just dug themselves up from the dirt. And it's a bunch of mound. They're like ant mound, look like a termite mound, but it's a dirt mound. Yep. See, it's like wiggling. Come on, little guy. Yep, I guess it just came up from the dirt. I heard this year is gonna be the cicada season or something. So this is new for me too. Never seen it before. Yeah, he's mulching, I guess. So he's out of shell. He has to break out from his outer shell for him to be free. That's how they grow. Wow, I just see like two here, so there's only two cicadas. Alright, thank you for watching.